How many incredible Dollar Tree products can I show you in under 8 minutes? We are about to find out. Ta-da! I'm still not done. Let's keep going. Why, yes. Yes, you can. I brought a tripod into the store because I'm crazy.
These are all of those jackpot secret scores, and not only that, but how to find them. If your jaw's not on the floor, I haven't done my job.
The kitchen section keeps getting better and better, and there's 3 things I want you to look out for. These cutting boards are a fabulous deal, and if you're a crafter, perfect for catching extra hot glue. These sponge holders are 5-star rated. We use these all the time in our house. These splatter screens are so great for storing your jewelry, and it's a DIY anybody can do. Brand new to me product are these ice cube trays. They come with a lid so you can pour the water inside. This is so convenient. Get creative with some of the items. I love these muffin tins. I recently shared on Instagram, you can fill this with 1 part cornstarch, 1 part water, and a little bit of food coloring and paint your driveway with your kids. So easy, and it washes off with a hose. Dollar Tree always has these mini fancy heats. They work great. Go to the kitchen section and pick up tins. You can add this along with some stones to create a fire pit for your back patio. This is super fun to do s'mores with.
What's really great about the Dollar Tree cake pans is they fit really well in urns. Maybe you already have one sitting at home you could use. This is such an easy way for a few dollars to have a fire pit with your family.
I love all of the serveware too.
A brand new product are these acrylic ice buckets. Definitely stay on the lookout for these.
We are now into the organizing section. You guys are always asking about organizing bins and containers, where to find them, and there's some brand new scores I can't wait to show you. The first are these little spray bottles. They're so cute, and if you do any DIY sprays or things for your laundry room, this would be a great option. These bins are also brand new, and while it may be hard to read on camera, it's got some geometric patterns and shapes on it. They are really beautiful and a great size. This is something you may not have tried. Get a cutlery organizer, and this is perfect inside of your drawers for your toothbrushes and toothpaste because they're so easy to wipe down. I purchased these trays before, but they also have these incredible gold baskets. These are beautiful. How great would this be for fruit? Hallelujah, holy cow. This is the most stocked I have seen this section. I love these containers. These bigger baskets are awesome inside pantries too. This actually might be my thumbnail. Hi! It's so nice to meet you. Oh, you're so sweet. You guys, this is Monica, and she literally has the best tip. I had no idea about this. Monica, tell them about this Facebook page.
All right, we have a Facebook page that's called Dollar Tree's Creative Swap and Shop, and we hunt for people with multiple Dollar Tree items when they don't have fabulous stores like the one we're at, where Kathryn is. I saw her doing her job. Oh my, I'm fangirling. The price is only $2. That's the maximum people can charge, so we're not trying to make money. This is helping people find the items that Kathryn puts on her page. Come see us.
I love that. I will put it all linked down below. Thank you so much, Monica.
Oh, Kathryn, I love you. I love you. I love you.
I'm so glad we ran into each other. At Dollar Tree, start shopping 1 season ahead of time. Or what would you even call these? I want to call them floral balls, and I can't wait to make a wreath out of them. And check this out. They have these square wreath forms. I've never seen this here before. That is going to be so fun for fall. These are so expensive on Etsy for when your baby is born. What a great shower gift too for just $1. These little hand and footprints. This frame is nice too. It has weight to it. These candle holders with ceramic bases. I just love it. Oh my goodness. They have tons of 4th of July stuff. I love this giant flag for $1. This is gonna look beautiful on the front door. And don't discount these items outside of the 4th. They finally brought back the gorgeous glass mason jars. I think this looks so elegant all year round. I'm gonna grab this for the boys' bikes for the parade. Simple and easy. Let's talk Dollar Tree flip-flops. By and large, the smaller the item is, the higher the quality. The kids' flip-flops here are gonna rival what you find at any big box store. I love them. We buy them every year to go to the pool. I feel like I'm like kneeling to propose. The automotive and hardware section is so underrated in Dollar Tree. Check out this gadget. It can pull nails, clean cracks, clean rollers, open paint cans, and scrape away old paint and debris. This is coming home with me. They also have these removable picture strips, which are new to me. And if these rival the Command brand, you guys know we have to try them. The glass section has been amazing recently. I love these round ones, and these perfectly fit a bag of rice or quinoa. And they also have these oil vinegar dispensers, but you can use these for really anything. And now they're plastic, so you could keep them in their fridge. They're not gonna break. Great for decanting your products. Some people might want to avoid the bath and body section. Here's why you shouldn't. There are tons of name brands here. These power sticks retail for $5 a piece. You can find them for just $1 at the Dollar Tree. And check this out. 3 of these body washes on Amazon is gonna run you about 13 bucks. They are just $1 each here. This next product is reaching TikTok Hall of Fame. These scrub brushes, they're $5 to $7 in other stores. They are just $1 here, and they are perfect for cleaning your grout lines and tile. And if you haven't tried this trick, I've got 2 to share with you. Let's head over to the cleaning section. Dollar Tree sells mini bottles of the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. You want the clinging kind with bleach gel, and about once a year, you can use this to clean your grout, especially if it's really bad. You don't want to do this too often, and be sure to check in an inconspicuous area first, but it works so well with these brushes. But my 2 very favorites are Lime Away and Tidy Bowl Cleaner. Like literally this whole setup, you cannot go wrong with it. Dollar Tree has always carried dustpans, but now they have a giant dustpan. This is perfect for inside the garage. I'm so glad I found this. Random fact, did you know you could use dishwasher detergent to clean your oven racks? Put this in a bathtub with some towels underneath so it won't scratch. It does a great job.
What was your favorite product featured in this video? Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Man, am I glad you're here. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. And I hope something really great lands in your lap today too. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I'll catch you soon.
How are those marshmallows, buddy?